रौनक नाम था हमारे बच्चे का और 2 साल 4
My son's name was Ronak. He was 2.5 years old, and he was just playing here on this road. He was just walking here, and a speeding car came and rammed into him. And we went to the trauma center, and it was at the trauma center that I came to know that he's already dead. So I'm not able to sleep, or I don't like having food. Whenever I think about him, about my son, I just can't bear it, and it's difficult for us to live a life without our son.
If we're serious about achieving the global goals, particularly on safe and sustainable urban streets, well, this is the kind of place we have to come to and fix here in Delhi. And for children particularly, who are trying to walk often unaccompanied along roads like this, it may seem like a busy dual carriageway, but it's actually a city street. There's no sidewalks, there's no safe crossings, and this is what our global initiative for child health and mobility is designed to help to fix. And we have the solutions. Some of them are quite low cost, but we need the political will to implement them.
हमारा ये कहने का मतलब है कि
People who are
कोई भी
driving the
व्यक्ति है,
car,
किसी
even
को जो
in these
मर्जी
small
मार
lanes,
देता है, आदमी को
they
पता
speed
नहीं
and kids get killed. So I start my day early in the morning. I have my vegetable shop to look after. It's very difficult to look after our children while we are managing this shop, and me and my wife both are managing the shop. So I go early in the morning and come late at night, and it's a challenge to raise kids like this.
Today we are having a meeting with the children to discuss on the risk that they face while they go to school on the road, what kind of accidents they have seen or they face themselves. While we are doing like assessments, we have assessed around like across Delhi, we have assessed more than 50 plus schools where we have worked with the children on finding out risk. The major concern or the major voice of a children shares that they are very scared on the road while they go to school. I'm like really proud that Save the Children has taken a keen interest in this global initiative.
जब हम जाते हैं तो 2-3 छोटे-छोटे बच्चे होते हैं जो जहाँ पर हम फुटपाथ पर
When we walk to school, the few pavements that we have are often in a very bad state. They are not safe to walk on, and I have often seen children fall over. When we cross the road, we choose the safest places, but the cars are traveling too fast and don't follow the rules. I have seen children being hit by cars, and I don't feel safe at all.
इसमें का गाड़ियों से डर है सबसे ज़्यादा यहाँ गाड़ियों को कोई रोक ठोक नहीं है गाड़ियाँ बहुत चलती हैं
I can't find the words to express what we are going through.
ये नहीं देखते कि कोई मारे
The suffering of people like us will continue if nothing is done. When the kids are walking to school, they have to cross the roads, and we must provide places where they are protected.
We are doctors, at the same time we are human beings also, and we feel the pinch when we see the young lives. If you see in this ICU, all the patients who are lying down out here, they all are patients of road traffic accidents, and all of these injuries could have been saved. This is a young chap with a cervical spine injury because of road traffic accident, another person with a head injury, another person with a head injury who was operated just last night. If you go back to the other cubicles, we have got 20 beds out here, and all the patients are victims of road traffic accidents. And all these lives probably either could be saved or the injury could be significantly lesser if we could have some better road safety rules at the time of the accident.
I'm very happy that this global initiative for child health and mobility is something which is very much needed. It comes at a very opportune time. In India, we have been talking about increasing road space, and we're building roads. But most of our focus has gone into motorization. It has not gone into pedestrians and bicycling. So children are more vulnerable. So it is not only that we need to create infrastructure, we also need to manage infrastructure, design infrastructure, engineer infrastructure, that they are safer for pedestrians and bicyclists, especially giving focus to children.